Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make a very easy granny square, and then we'll make a mobile bag out of those squares. And I'm going to use yarn of these 4 colors for my project. These are acrylic 4-ply yarns, and I'm going to use a hook of 2.5 mm for this project. So this is slip knot on my hook, chain 4, go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops, chain 3 which counts as a double crochet 2, 3, chain 2 for chain space, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Now join these stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now cut the yarn from here because we are going to add yarn of color B to the pattern. Now this is yarn of color B and this is slip knot on my hook. Join the yarn into the chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Now chain 3 which counts as a double crochet 2, 3, chain 2 for chain space, into the same chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, into the next chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 2, into the same chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. After the end of the round, switch to yarn of color A again and join the yarn into the chain space of 2 with slip stitch. 3, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. In between these 2 sets of double crochet 1, 2 and 3, into the next chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, chain 2 for chain space, into the same chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3. Now in between these 2 sets of double crochet, 3 double crochet 1, 2, 3. So follow the same pattern and do a set of double crochet for each side of the square, and for each corner 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, and we will meet again when the round would be complete. After the end of the round, cut the yarn from here because this square is now complete. We will need 6 squares for the front part of our mobile bag. So follow the same pattern and make one more square with these 2 colors, then 2 squares with this color and 2 squares with this color. And we will meet again when these 6 squares would be completed. When these 6 squares are complete, I am going to iron them first and then I'll show you how to join them. Now I am going to show you how to join these squares. Just insert the hook into the front loop of both the parts, pull through. Again into the front loop of both the squares, pull through. There are many methods of joining the square. If you wish to know how you can join these 2 squares with other method, click on the link above and you will get another method of joining these squares. Now complete joining all the 6 squares in the same way, and we will meet again when all these 6 squares will be joined for the front part of our mobile bag. When all these 4 squares are joined, stitch 2 yarn of color A again for the edging of this rectangle. So chain 2, which counts as a half double crochet, into the chain space of 2, half double crochet 2, chain 2 again into the same chain space of 2, half double crochet 1, half double crochet 2. So we have to do 2 half double crochet, chain 2 and 2 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet on the top of each stitch for each side of the rectangle. So complete this edging across the round, and we will meet again when the edging would be completed. After the end of the round, join the stitches on the top of the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now cut the yarn from here. Now this front part of our bag is complete. Follow the same pattern and make the back part of the bag, and we will meet again when these 2 parts would be completed. When these both parts, the front and the back part of the bag, are complete, I am going to show you how to add zipper to the mouth of the bag. Now for adding a zipper, take needle and thread of the same color of the zipper and add the zipper with these simple stitches. So complete joining the zipper on both the sides of the bag, and we will meet again when it will be added to the mouth of the bag. After zipper is added to the mouth of the bag, I am going to show you how to join remaining 3 ends of the bag. So insert the hook into both the parts, pull through both the loops. Insert the hook into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through 2. So complete joining remaining 3 parts of the bag following the same pattern, and we will meet again when the bag would be ready. When our bag is complete, I'm going to add a heart tassel into this hole of the runner. So for this, I picked up yarn of color B. This is slip knot, chain 3, go back to the 4th chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops. Chain 1, this is the turning chain, we are not going to count this chain. Single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Join these stitches into the chain that we did earlier with slip stitch. Chain 1, this is the turning chain, we are not going to count this chain. Now into each stitch we have to do 2 single crochet, and at the end of the round we will have 12 single crochet. Single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be complete. When the round is complete, join the stitches with slip stitch. Chain 1, this is a turning chain, we are not going to count this chain. Single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Now in this round, I am going to do 1 single crochet on the top of each stitch across a round. So at the end of the round, there would be 12 stitches. Complete the round and we will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, cut the yarn from here and pull through tightly. Make one more round following the same pattern and we will meet again when these 2 rounds would be ready. When these 2 rounds are complete, insert the hook into the first one, pull through. Now join these 2 circles into the next stitch, single crochet 1, into the next stitch, single crochet 2. Now I'm going to decrease the pattern, so insert the hook into the front loop and into the next front loop, pull through, pull through. Again, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now skip 1, 2, 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3 into the next stitch. Join these stitches with slip stitch. Into the same stitch, single crochet 1. Single crochet 2. Into the front loop, insert the hook in. Into the next front loop, insert the hook in. Pull through both the loops. Single crochet 1. Single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Join these stitches into the 4th stitch with slip stitch. Now take yarn needle and yarn of same color and we are going to sew this. Now take yarn needle and yarn of the same color and we are going to join these 2 parts. Now sew both the circles with the help of yarn needle and yarn and join both of the parts. Do not cut the yarn from here. And into the middle of this heart, leave the yarn like that. I'm going to tell you what to do with this at the end. Now single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Now into the next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop. Into the next stitch, insert the hook only in the front loop because we are going to do a decrease here. Pull through 2. Again, single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Into the next stitch, insert the hook only in the front loop. Into the next stitch, into the front loop, pull through 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, there are 12 stitches left. So we are going to decrease in every stitch. Pull through 2. Into the next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop only. Into the next stitch, insert the hook into front loop only. Pull through 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, there are 6 stitches left. I filled this with stuffing and I filled it with the leftover yarn that I had. Now join all the stitches. So there would be 3 stitches from the 6 stitches of this round, and then our heart would be completed. Insert the hook into the front loop only, pull through 2, join in this way, cut the yarn from here. This heart is now complete. I made these 3 hearts for my heart tassel. Now I'm going to show you what to do with this yarn. Simply insert the hook in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make chains on the top of remaining 2 hearts. Now I'm going to add beads on the top of it. After these 3 hearts were complete, I made a knot here and added 3 beads on the top of it. Now I'm going to sew them all into this hole of the runner. So complete sewing it, and we will meet again when our mobile bag is ready. This mobile bag is going to look like this when it will be completed. You can put your crochet accessories, mobile accessories, your mobile and your earbuds inside it while traveling, and you can even put your traveling accessories inside it while traveling. Thank you so much.